Look at that.
Is that a catch? It's in his mask. Ball never hit the ground on a foul tip. 2 strikes.
I got it. And I'm going to keep my eye on the ball.
Like Velcro.
Well, I mean, Smith isn't even looking.
I can't believe that catch.
Drew Willie just placed that right in his arm.
Harden the steal and the dunk. Oh, he missed it!
No, that ball went
was
through
good, yeah.
and it came out.
The witness is checking it out.
Oh, remember the Manu play in New
Right.
York a few years ago? I mean, this goes through, yeah. That was good.
And then out.